Hey, my friend, this is Lee Murray. How the heck are you? Welcome to TRK Weight Loss Edition. And I just really wanted to make a quick video. We don't need to be too redundant here. We've got all kinds of goodies that you can read down here and see what the offer is all about. But basically, what this is it is a 90 because I know you're going to want to go with the 90 email series, the pack, right? This is the TRK Weight Loss Premium package, which, as you can see, now when you're on the page, not now in this video because we're still in pre-launch, right? But on this page, you can see that it's $47. But what I really wanted to talk to you about was the insane temporary 3-day, 4-day discount that I'm offering for all new TRK weight loss buyers during the launch period. And what that's going to do is it's going to take an entire $20 off of that price. And yes, you can see this also includes 100% funnel commissions when you promote TRK weight loss as an affiliate, which is a very big deal when given the context of this funnel, because our one and only upgrade, which is $97, not only will you earn 100% commissions on that as well, but what the $97 package gets if you choose to purchase it yourself is that's going to get you free traffic coming from me every single day forever. Okay, forever. So I'm going to be promoting TRK weight loss every single day on your behalf, and your affiliate link is going to be in a special rotator that gets 60% of all of the traffic that I ever get into passive class, and then every day in my passive class emails. Every single day. Hot traffic coming straight to your affiliate link, earning you commissions, and not just commissions, but 100% commissions. So one sale and that upgrade pays for itself. Why am I talking about the upgrade so heavily? Well, because I want you to understand that by getting the premium version of TRK weight loss, that you are in fact earning 100% commissions, both on the $12.95 offer and the $47 offer, which is now $27 when you use the coupon code that I'm about to give you. But you're going to be earning 100% commissions on the $97 upsell as well. And again, that is the only upgrade because we're keeping things very tight here. I'm only giving you what you need, nothing that you don't. All right, but you can read everything about what TRK weight loss actually entails. I can read it here for you if you're feeling a little bit lazy, right? We've got everything in basic, so you're getting 90 human written by me personally. I'm pretty good at this, been doing it since 2008. Not here to brag, just here to boast. But you're getting 90 human written, formatted, and monetized emails. You're getting 3 beautiful, high converting lead capture pages, also created by me personally. You're getting multiple streams of weight loss income. You can promote the products from ClickBank, Amazon, Commission Junction, Temu, more, and anywhere. Any weight loss related offer that you can think of. This could be like Nutrisystem or some kind of a do people still use Nutrisystem? I have no idea. Jenny Craig, is that a little too 80s? Am I dating myself? Anyway, whatever the hell you want to promote, you can promote, okay? Because all of these emails are written in such a way that it's completely universal, totally evergreen, and you're promoting just one single link. It's your rotator link. Okay, so if you've ever been with me before for any of the TRKs, which stands for the Rotator Kit, for any of my TRK offers in the past, then you already know this. Okay, what we're doing is we're promoting one single link, and the beauty of this is that you never have to go into any of your emails, any of these 90 that you're getting from me, or any others that you choose to write, because if you follow the same, excuse me, over 1 second. Yeah, I inhaled saliva. What can I say? So we, you never have to go in and edit an individual email, okay? Because all you're ever doing is promoting a rotator link. And like I said, these emails, they're going to promote these offers in a very universal and evergreen way so that you never, uh, you know, there's not going to be an email that's talking about learn these 10 tips to losing weight fast, right? And then it takes them to a supplement or something like that. Everything is worded in a very universally applicable way so that whatever it is that you're promoting, it's going to make sense. It's going to make sense. The email is going to do a fine job promoting it on your behalf. These emails are going to work for you, by the way, 24/7, around the clock. They're like your own virtual sales force, but they're never going to take any sick days. They're never going to complain about the long hours. They're never going to show up late. Okay? They're always going to be working for you 24/7, even while you sleep. And again, you never have to go into any individual email. You never have to edit a link because everything goes through your rotator, okay, which you're going to get your hands on for free. And as a matter of fact, I'm giving you full training both on the rotator setup and the entire setup really. Plus, you're getting world-class traffic training on top of it. So this deal is unlike any other, but it does expire, okay, when you use the promo code. Now, I'm here on vacation in Portland, Oregon, with my family, and we're here to see the artist Poppy, right? If you're a metalhead, you probably know who Poppy is. I am a metalhead. I know who Poppy is. And we're very excited about it. And so to celebrate, what I'm going to do is I'm giving you that $20 off when you use the promo code Poppy20, okay? Poppy20, Poppy20, and that is going to save you $20 off your order, and you're going to get it for $27 instead of $47. And my friend, this still includes the 100% commissions. Okay, so you'll earn $12.95 instead of half of whatever $12.95 is. You're going to earn uh, $47 instead of $23.50, right? Math. And you will earn all $97 on the upgrade instead of half of that. Okay, so we're going all in here and you're earning. And plus, if you happen to pick up the $97 offer, again, I'm going to be promoting that for you. So you may as well be earning 100% commissions while I do so. And that is the end of this video. So click whichever fancy, beautiful button below this video that you want to use to get yourself in. But I definitely recommend that you go with premium because why the heck wouldn't you? Again, use promo code POPPY20, Poppy20, and you will get $20 off today. Just when you click the button, when you it's a really small link and it's going to say have a coupon code. Just click on that little link. A little box is going to open up, and then just type in POPPY20, and you're in for just 27 bucks, including those 100% commissions. You can read all my propaganda below this video if you want to see what the heck all this is about. If you want a little more detail, here's the detail, okay? But in the meantime, just get your butt in there, okay? Use that promo code, and we're going to have a good time together. I'll see you inside for the training, and we're going to get you set up right so that you can earn those hands-free commissions in the world's largest niche, the weight loss niche, quickly and easily. And we got you covered, all right? So use the button below now. It's Poppy20, and this is Lee Murray. Thank you for visiting TRK Weight Loss Edition, and I hope to see you inside. Thanks for watching.